This is an autonomous maze-solving robot. It navigates efficiently and adapts to unexpected obstacles. To design a maze, use our intuitive GUI. You can adjust the maze size using the increase/decrease size buttons. Click Start, S, to set the robot's starting position, and Goal, G, to define the endpoint. Use Free, F, for open paths, and Wall, W, for obstacles. If you need to clear the maze, press Reset. Once ready, click Submit to upload the maze to our system.
Hey there, humans. I am the maze-solving robot, designed to navigate complex mazes all on my own. Created by Adan, Rand, and Muhammad, I am built to explore, adapt, and win. Decision time. Left or right? Analyzing shortest path. Left turn selected, optimized for efficiency. Turning right. Adjusting direction. Perfect turn, continuing mission. Left turn detected, executing now. Mission accomplished, maze solved in record time. Challenge complete, ready for the next maze.
Now it's time for the real challenge. Let's see if our robot can adapt to a dynamic maze. We'll change the path in real time. Can it still find its way?
System online. Mission, navigate the maze. Let's roll. Alert, obstacle detected, rerouting. Whoa, the maze has changed. Adapting strategy. New route set, moving forward. Deviation detected. Applying PID control, proportional, integral, derivative. Adjusting perfect trajectory restored. Left turn detected, executing now. Oops, that was close! Mission accomplished, maze conquered, I am unstoppable, ha ha ha! Now, let me break it down for you. My navigation is powered by two awesome algorithms. First, I use a star for pathfinding. I calculate the best route from start to finish, considering all possible paths and obstacles. It's like solving a maze in my head, fast and smart. Then, to keep my movements smooth and precise, I use PID control. I adjust my speed and direction in real time. Proportional to correct my mistake, integral to learn from it, and derivative to predict future moves. It's like having a built-in autopilot. Together, these algorithms make me an unstoppable maze-solving robot. No walls can stand in my way. And with that, it's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye.